This is called the Mitered Baby Blanket. You'll need 2 print fabrics or flannel or something that coordinate with each other. So I'm going to line that up with the 1/4 inch, and then all I have to do is draw a little square in the corner. That's where I want to stop sewing. Find the center of each side. Line up my center points.
Jackie, that's not going to fit.
Oh, but don't worry. This is magic. So back stitch, a 1/4 inch back stitch. So I'll take it to my machine this way, and I will sew the rest of the seam from the center to the corner. So now we've got to do our miter corners. I flip it over and iron it here. Draw my line from where we stopped our sew line to the end. So now, look, I'm just turning this all inside out, press it. Then I will go ahead and I will do a decorative stitch or a straight stitch and join the 2 together.